Before you buy a Mercedes SLK 250, there are a few important things you should inspect, because some of these repairs can be very expensive. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to check before making your purchase. Before start, I just want you to know that the vehicle shown here is a very clean 2013 Mercedes SLK 250 finished in black on black, a timeless and elegant combination that perfectly matches the SLK's sporty design. Let's start with the engine. The SLK 250 uses a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, so it's important to check for smooth performance, oil leaks, and proper turbo operation. Continue by inspecting the cooling system to make sure the cooling system is working properly and the engine temperature stays stable during a test drive. During your test drive, make sure the automatic transmission should shift smoothly without hesitation or jerking. One of the most important things to inspect is the retractable hardtop. Make sure it opens and closes smoothly without noise or hesitation and no leaks. Inside, check all electronics, including the infotainment system, seat controls, and dashboard functions to work properly and free of any damages. Checking the exterior condition by inspecting the exterior for paint condition, panel alignment, and signs of previous repairs. To recap, always inspect the exterior condition, engine performance, and turbo system. Make sure the cooling system is functioning properly and the transmission shifts smoothly. Most importantly, test the retractable hardtop to ensure it operates correctly. Inside the car, check all electronics and interior condition. Taking a few minutes to inspect these key areas can help you avoid costly repairs and ensure you're buying a well-maintained Mercedes SLK 250. The SLK featured in this video is a very clean 2013 model finished in black on black, offering a perfect balance of luxury, performance, and timeless design. It comes well equipped with the premium package and multimedia package, along with 18-inch split 5-spoke aluminum wheels that enhance both its presence and driving dynamics. Power is delivered through a 7-speed automatic transmission with shift paddles, along with sport and eco driving modes for a refined yet engaging driving experience. With its low mileage, desirable options, worth over $7,000 and exceptional condition, this SLK represents a truly standout example of Mercedes-Benz engineering. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest car reviews and buying guides.